Okay. Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will explore Mengkuang Dam and its impact on the environment.
The first one, it will be left a negative impact on aquatic animal. Since there are many negative impact on aquatic life, the dams block up flowing bodies of water such as river and many animals that depends on the flow to produce or as part of the life cycle are put in danger. The build-up of water is additionally dangerous for flowers that grow on the naturally boundary side of the water. The plant may get submerged and die. Second is the impact on the water body. The beneficial sediment that normally is washed down the river is blocked, which decreases the fertility of the soil downriver from the dam. The alteration of the river flow and sediment transport downstream of a dam often cause the greatest sustain on environmental impacts. When a water course is devoid of water, then its sediment load increase. It tends to recollect by eroding the downstream riverbed and banks, which undermine bridge and alternative bank structure as well as riverside woodlands. Third is the impact on the overall aquatic ecosystem. Since another significant and obvious impact is the transformation upstream of the dam from a free-flowing river ecosystem to an artificial slackwater reservoir habitat. Change in temperature, chemical composition, dissolved element level, and therefore the physical properties of reservoir are typically not appropriate to the aquatic plant and animal that involve. Fourth is the impact on groundwater table. Riverbed dipping will also lower groundwater table along a river, lowering the water table accessible to plant roots. The building of the dike in edge help alter the amount of formation, this slowly resulting in the harm of many of its ancient monuments as salts and emerging minerals.
The advantage of the dam is reactions. Dam provide the prime reactional fertilizer through the United States, both in skiing, camping, picnic area, and the boat launch facility are in the support by dams. Net is flood control. In addition to help farmer, dam help prevent the loss of the life and properly by flooding. Flood control dam compound water and the release then under the control to the river below the dam or store the river to the water for other use. For the century, people have built dam to help control devastating flood. Next is water storage. Dam create the source of the water supply to many use, including industrial, municipal, and agriculture. Next is electric generation. Malaysia is the one of the largest producer of the hydropower in the world, second of the Canada. Dam is produced over the 130,000 megawatts for the renewable electricity and to meet 8 to 12% of the nation power needs. Hydropower is considered clean because it does not contribute to global warming, air pollution, acid rain, and ozone depletion. Lastly is navigation. Dam is a lot provide for the stable system of inland river transportation through of the heartland for the nation.
Okay, that's all from our group. We hope that the lesson and knowledge we learn during this visit we can apply during our career as an engineer.